this video, we will focus on the Phonebook tab in the General Settings. To enter the section, click on the gear icon in the upper right corner. Then, go to the General Settings and enter the Phonebook tab. Here you will find a few options. First of all, you can find the Contact Form section here. Here, you can mark if an account is required. If this checkbox is marked, it will be mandatory to enter the account when adding new entries to the Phonebook. This will allow connecting passengers with a particular client that is already added to the Phonebook. You can also switch up the client default value if the empty option is selected. Then, the user can decide if the client checkbox should be marked or not. You can also check yes, in which case, the client checkbox will be automatically marked in a new entry. This will allow you to add entries as passengers as well as clients, for example, in case of sales requests. Here you will also find options to automatically delete packs after given days. You can activate the function, add the email address to which the notification should be sent 7 days before deletion, and define the threshold after which the passengers should be deleted. If the passenger is added to a flight, and is not added by 30 days, then this passenger will be automatically deleted. You can also automatically mask packs after given days. Here, you can enable the function and also define the threshold. In this case, if the passenger won't be used on the flights for a 30 days period, then the travel documents will be hidden, and this can be checked, for example, in the Phonebook. If you enter the passenger profile, as you can see, the passport is hidden and only users which will be assigned to the group in the privileges, where the contact mask is set to enable, you'll be able to unmask the document details and see the number of the passport, country, and all the other details. As for the automatically mask users option, you can also activate this function. It will affect users, which you add to the admin panel, users, so your crew members and people who can log in to Leon software. In this case, when the active and can log into Leon checkboxes will be unmarked in the full edit profile, the travel documents will be also hidden. As for the passengers, only persons with contact mask set to edit will be able to see the travel documents. All the details will also be hidden and users can unmask the details or delete the travel document completely.